Have you ever found a great blog post, article, or product page and wished you could turn it into a professional video in just a few minutes? Well, with Pictory AI's URL to video feature, you can do exactly that. Simply paste a URL and Pictory automatically extracts the content, rewrites it into a video script, adds visuals, captions, music, and even a voiceover, all powered by AI. In this step-by-step Pictory AI tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Pictory AI URL to video, customize the generated video, and export it for YouTube or social media. Let's get started.
Got a blog, article, or landing page? We'll show you how to turn it into a video instantly using Pictory. With the URL to video feature, you can convert any URL into a fully edited video using AI. First, start from the homepage and click URL to video. Paste your web page link, blog, article, or product page. Next, choose your video type: marketing, explainer, or tutorial. Then pick your platform and video length. Click Generate Script, and the AI will extract and rewrite your content. Here you can edit your script or use AI to optimize, shorten, or rephrase. Once you're happy, click Generate Video to turn your script into scenes. Pictory automatically adds visuals, captions, music, and a voiceover. You can then customize scenes, visuals, and branding in the editor. Add AI avatars or generate custom visuals using AI Studio. Make sure you preview your video and make any final adjustments. Once you're happy, download or share your video instantly. Repurpose every web page into video and scale your content effortlessly with Pictory.
And that's how easy it is to use Pictory AI's URL to video feature to transform blogs, articles, and web pages into engaging AI-generated videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Ray Creators Lab, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials on AI tools, AI content creation, and the latest Pictory AI features. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description below. You'll find the link to try Pictory AI, along with other helpful resources and tutorials mentioned in this video. Before you go, there is a video on your screen right now. Click the video and you will be surprised to see another AI tool that will enhance your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.